What's up, everybody? Contenders, break 3385. Let me make sure that break number's right. It is weird. Sold out. Good luck here, guys. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 5 times your squads first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The Bears up top, the Giants at the bottom. 5 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Grant up top, Tim Pascali at the bottom. Sort them out. Let's print it. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Again, Contenders break 3385. Pick your colors, guys. 3177 just has 3 left. We'll fill those next. 3377, just 3 colors left. We will fill those next. Again, guys, pretty quick break here. We're just looking for the autos. Packs are just shredded. Again, take those colors in 3177, just 3 colors left. That's Select Hobby. And this was the last of the 3 birds. Again, 3177, guys. Just has 3 spots left. It's a pick your color break. There's just 3 left. Gladiators of Taylor. MVP of Debo. First ink, Lewis signed for the Vikings. Minnesota and Brandon Duff. TD. Power players of Bobby Wagner. Next ink, Isaiah Likely for the Ravens on the rookie ticket. Baltimore, going to Craig Southern. Cook. Jameson Williams 101. Auto printing plate for the Lions. Bang. Steven Scragg. There you go, kid. Printing plate auto won't qualify for the bounty, Steven, but it doesn't need to. You hit a banger. Thought that's who it was. Jameson Williams on a 1-1, a printing plate, ink. Nice hit, Steven. Christian Kirk to 199. Gladiators of Watt. Josh Allen. Legendary of Vic. Zachary Carter for the Bengals. Nice hit, Steven. Tua Tagovailoa, last ink. Going to Derek Young for Seattle. Again, guys, that's Contenders early bird. Derek Young on the ink. Christian Kirk to 199. Zachary Carter, 101 printing plate. Ink of Jameson Williams. Nice hit there. Isaiah Likely. And Lewis sign. And that's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Break 3340 is full. That'll be one of the next breaks to go. Break 3177 we fill next. It has the black, the green, and the tie-dye is all that's left. Again, guys, the 100 spotter, 3367. I think there's just 14 left.